So the first thing is, does anyone in this room have a credit card? Yeah, you got a credit card. All right. And is it in your own name? Is it under your parents' name?
Mine's under my parents' name.
Okay.
Except for me.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Well, you're going to need, in order for you to rent a place, rent a car, rent a hotel room, all those things, you need your own credit card once your parents say it's up to you now. And the best way to establish credit is to have 3 credit cards. So I've created the rule 2-2-2. So you want to have 2 credit cards at least with 2 years of history. So as soon as you're of age to get your own credit card, you want to get it in your own name. And then you want to keep the limits below 20%. So just to keep math super easy, if you have a credit card that has a $1,000 limit, you don't want to spend over $800 of that. And you want to have 3 of them so that lenders can see that you can responsibly handle credit. And you don't want to go over the $800 and the $1,000 because that will negatively impact your credit score. Having less than 3 credit cards will negatively impact your credit score. You never want to go over your limit on your credit card. So those 3 things, just the rule 2-2-2.